Thermal today, and we're going to do the install of the 3-inch exhaust system for the 2019 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.7 Hemi motor. Stock exhaust system off. The first thing we're going to do is install the muffler. I'm going to start out by putting a witness mark at 1 3/4, and that'll help us with the alignment of the clamp when we get to that part. And we can even drop the clamp in place. Hardware inbound and nuts facing down. Lubricate all the hanger holes. Come up and bolt the muffler assembly to the factory exhaust. We're going to reuse the OE steel gasket, the 14mm socket. Next pipe after the muffler we're going to install is the Y pipe. Y pipe in place, moving that clamp up to that witness mark. Just snug it up a little bit. But we know we have to adjust this Y pipe as we install the tailpipes for proper alignment. We're going to install the passenger side tailpipe first, and we're going to start out by putting this 2.5-inch double compression clamp over the pipe of the Y section. We're going to push it all the way forward. And this is the pipe for the passenger side. I'm going to put it forward through the hanger. I'm going to snug this up, knowing we're going to have to come back and readjust it as we do the driver's side tailpipe. Now we're going to work on the first section of the driver's side tailpipe. We're going to put a 2.5-inch double compression clamp over that and past our mark. The first section, the part with the harder degree of bend, is going to be what connects into that clamp. Find our witness mark. The last pipe to install, the driver's side very rear section. I'm going to go to the pipe that we just put on, and we're going to make another witness mark at 1 3/4 inches. Slide our clamp up with the hardware outbound. Push that all the way up. Lubricate our hanger. And our clamp down into position. Next we'll install the driver's side and the passenger 5-inch tip. It's an angle tip, and we'll make sure the apex is at the top. When it heats up, the exhaust system will grow, pushing the tip out up to another 1/2 inch. Right now we're looking for the gap at the top of the tip to be even on both, and then we'll finalize tightening all the clamps. point, we'll go back through the entire system and check all of the hardware to make sure it's tight. And we're ready for our test drive.